Alright guys, so I'm in Montreal right now. I came here yesterday to look at a 9-unit, 3-bedroom luxury deal in downtown Montreal for rental arbitrage. On the way here though, we stopped by and saw a Lamborghini dealership on the way. I told my brother, I'm like, you know what, we got a few hours to kill, let's just go inside and check it out. I go inside and I see a beautiful blue Lamborghini that I actually really like. And I thought to myself last night, I'm like, you know what, I haven't bought myself anything in a very, very long time. It's not really gonna hurt, let's just go buy it. So this morning we woke up, went to the bank, threw a bunch of cash. Now we're gonna go buy this Lamborghini. Come check it out. Alright guys, so we're inside the dealership right now. This is Lamborghini Montreal, one of the oldest dealerships in all of North America for Lamborghini. Yesterday I told the salesman I'm really interested in the car, I sort of do like it. Today I made up my mind, got the bag of cash with me. Let's go sign it, make it happen.
Hi.
How's it going?
Hi, Mr. Zafar. How are you?
Good, nice to meet you again.
Yeah, nice to meet you again.
It's actually made up my mind. I decided to come back and buy that Lamborghini we were talking about.
Oh yeah, the blue one?
Yeah, the blue one.
Super, super. You want to sit down and we can check?
Have a seat, yeah.
You want to, you're gonna need finance or you're gonna lease the car?
No, I bought cash.
Oh, okay. Well, great.
Awesome.
You give me a couple of minutes.
No worries, take your time.
I'll go and see my accounting office so they can count the money, and if everything's okay, you could take the car.
Awesome, sounds good.
So Mr. Zafar, give me a couple of minutes. I'll go upstairs at the accounting office. I'll come back, count everything.
Sounds good.
Okay, thank you. Hold on, thank you.
Take your time.
Mr. Zafar?
Yep.
While I was upstairs, we prepared all the documents for you. So we're gonna sign all the paperwork
Awesome.
together. Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Okay, this here is your keys. So we're gonna check all the documents together to make sure that all the information are correct.
Yep.
And I'll ask you to sign also all your documents.
Yep.
All right. So this here is just what we call the sticker window.
Yep.
All the information you need is there. The price of the vehicle before taxes.
Yep.
So I need a signature right here at the bottom. Thank you very much. This here is the sales contract. So there's multiple pages. So just want to be sure that all the information are correct.
Yep.
And your serial number. So I need your initials at the bottom there.
Yep.
Yeah. Second page is there's no trade-in. This is the price, including all the taxes. Everything is there.
So I gave you $310,000 in cash.
Exactly.
The rest of the tax I have to pay at the ministry when I register the vehicle.
Exactly.
So what happens if I don't pay that tax?
Well, you cannot get your license plate, sir.
Ah, okay. I was just curious.
It's okay. This is all the laws that you have when you purchase a car, and I need full signatures as what you're going to take delivery of your vehicle. There we go. Thank you very much. There's going to be one copy for you and also one copy for me. So this is exactly what you signed earlier. So initials, same thing, initials.
I mean, I have to pay another $24,000 in taxes to the government of Ontario. Just
Exactly.
For what reason, literally?
Exactly. There you go, sir. Now you're really signed. It is your car now.
Awesome, thank you.
Congratulations again.
So what's in
Thank
here?
you for your trust. So you have here one of the key of the vehicle inside, and when the car will be delivered, you'll have the second key of the vehicle. Okay?
Sounds good.
So this is what you get here, and I'm gonna put all your contracts also into this box here, so you'll have all your documents when you're gonna go to the license plate office.
Okay.
You will need all the documents inside that box.
Sounds good.
Okay?
Can I get a free hat?
Of course, I prepared a gift for you.
Thank you. It's actually a lot heavier than my Toyota Highlander keys. I like it.
Mr. Zafar, just to say thanks of trusting me. I have a gift for you. couple of gifts.
Thank you.
I put it inside the bag, the Huracan bag.
Okay.
So everything is there. You have a hat, you have a car cover, you also have a trickle charger Lamborghini. So thank you very much for your trust.
Thank you for the hat. You know I need it. All right, let's go take a look at the car now.
Let's go.
All right.
Get that nice. I got the collar.
I'll get inside and then grab the engine and drive like right here. So after I have fun with this car for about a year, 2 years, I want to upgrade to an Aventador.
That's gonna be a nice move also. The Aventador is a different car, but the car you have right now.
No, it's a good starter Lamborghini.
And you have a beautiful day to take delivery of your new car.
Love it, I love it.
Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you. You get the keys?
Yes, sir. There you go.
Awesome, thank you.
Here it is. It's called the Huracan.
Naught to 60 needs to be around 3 seconds, which it is. Top speed needs to be around 200 miles an hour, which it is.
And horsepower needs to be around the 600 mark, which it is.
So in terms of the car itself, it's a Lamborghini Huracan 2015 610 LP. What I got really lucky with when I wanted to buy the car was 300,000 Canadian dollars. Literally 1 week ago, it's funny, the exchange rate from US to Canadian was about 1.3, 1.29. As of today, it's 1.38. So buying it in Montreal, I saved about $20,000 just in the conversion alone. That if I were to buy the car from Texas or Michigan, I'd be paying at least $240 American. I ended up paying like $215, $220 Canadian, and then plus, you know, your 13% HST. That definitely did help.
You need to press here without pushing the brake. You see that everything light up?
Yep.
And you push and hold. There you go. And you shut back here. And it's all in carbon, forged carbon.
Finished. It's forged carbon finished.
Yeah.
All right, let's head inside. You know, it's pretty surreal coming today, buying this Lamborghini all in cash. My wife and I literally started this business 20 months ago in November, December of 2020. Literally, I remember all the things that we had to go through, and never at that point did I ever imagine this is like where we would get to. When I first started this business, literally the only thing I wanted to accomplish was to maybe make 5-10K a month, have a little bit of a side income, just so I can have a little easier life while working my 9-to-5 job. If you would have told me 20 months ago, you're gonna be walking to a Lamborghini dealership, spending $300,000 in the car in cash and driving it out, I honestly would not have believed you, because at that point, I did not dream big enough. Now, 20 months later, I realized that was a huge problem because I was limiting myself because of my beliefs. This is just the beginning. This is car number 1. Next year I might buy an Aventador, next year I might buy something else, we'll see. But now that I know the business is going the way that I want it to go, the opportunity are only endless from here.
Another thing I'd like you to sign, it's my Hall of Fame hood.
Okay.
So if you want to come, it's on the delivery bay where your car was.
Let's do it. We're gonna sign, what is the Hall of Fame hood?
Yeah, my Hall of Fame hood.
His Hall of Fame hood.
You take a space wherever you want, and you do your signature, the model, year of your model, and the date.
Perfect.
Okay, so if you need a little bit more space.
Do mine right here. So literally 20 months ago, I was literally working that 9-to-5 job, and there's no difference between you and I. The way I got here is by literally just grinding every single day. You can do the exact same. I don't possess any special skills. I'm not high IQ gifted. I'm none of that. I'm literally just someone who works hard and grinds every single day. So if you want to keep following along this journey, I want you to like, comment, subscribe. My TikTok is down here. My Instagram is down here. And I know I already said it, but subscribe is down here.